Hi, this is Neil, November Echo India Lima, a ham from Silicon City, Bangalore, with the call sign Victor Uniform 3 Echo Foxtrot Zulu, currently in front of the Vidhan Sauda, that is the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. U3 ELC returning. My handle is Neil, November Echo India Lima. Hi, this is Victor United number 3 Echo Foxtrot Zulu, otherwise with special call sign currently Alpha Uniform 75 India November Delta. I am today doing an unboxing of the Alinco DR-MD 520 radio. Just received it yesterday evening, unboxing it now. As the paper we are opening to see what this is, as I am curious what this is, so I am opening it. It's a letter. To whom it may concern, I am sending one radio after repair and to Neil Bruce with the following numbers. Okay, so this was my letter saying to whosoever it may concern. So now let's see. So the first layer is opened and we are removing the box. Okay, I'm not able to get that side for some reason, so I'll go this side. So we have the Alinco DR-MD520E. The Alinco DR-MD520E from Japan, VHF UHF dual band digital transceiver. A visiting card, the adjustment sheet, the radio set, program keys, some information are adjusted and shows the updated information as below. So this is for the mic. Now I keep it here. Then the instruction manual. Talks about PC programming, controlled use, warnings, the contents. So power cable, how it should be connected. The speaker mic unit, the front panel, what button is what, the functions, same the microphone operations, the basic operations, advanced features for private call, I think that is for the DMR mode, the main menu functions, and the general frequency details about this radio. So for now I'll keep this aside. And the second thing I will remove here is the programming cable. Very commonly found, you can find it daily use. I believe you use this to charge your mobiles. A fuse and some screws and some washers. I think this is for the car unit. The DC cable. I see there, okay. One is this DC cable and the other one is for the radio. So I'll keep that back over there for now. Then over here we have the mic. This is the GPS module. This is basically used to say get your GPS location for the radio, as this radio has APRS, that is the automatic packet reporting system. And the lovely Alinco mic. And then we have the lovely radio itself. So for now I'll keep the radio aside for a moment. And the screwdriver is also aside. So there is nothing else in the box. So That also goes aside for now. So now I'll first remove the mic. Nice feel, the up and down buttons. I think this is to hang the thing on the somewhere. And nice buttons. Overall nice feel to talk on. The cable for the mic. So I'll keep this aside now. Now we look into the programming cable. I don't think we need to look into this, but we can see the length. So yes. So let's see. It's not very much long, but I think it's good enough to connect your computer and radio together. I'll keep this aside with the mic for now. I will not remove these screws from its packet as I don't want to lose them. So now let's check the GPS module. So I think I can remove this and stick it somewhere, or just keep it like that for the GPS. It has a RF connection. So now that goes aside. And now comes our main thing, the radio. Let's check out one thing. Okay, this is not for this. So basically you can keep the radio like this, or also from the above. Yep. This is for your computer programming. Your antenna connection, the SO239 UHF connector for the heat dispensation. The DC cable for connection to it. And this one which you see over here is for the GPS module. Then we have our button for the channel, your channels, your P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, and some programs. Then I'm not sure, I think this is for volume, and one of them is squelch. So has a nice screen and the on button. So let's just connect the mic for a moment. Just a warning, I have not switched on the radio yet, so I can connect the mic, press the transmit because it's not on at all. but without connecting the proper power supply and proper antenna, please do not transmit. And please do not get any radio without a license. So this is the Alinco DR-MD520 from Osaka, Japan. It's a good radio, fits within my hand. Yep, exactly my palm size. Good radio. So now I'll see you in the next video where I am setting this up for transmission and doing the first switch on. So bye for now, 7-3s, and have a good time. This is Victor Uniform number 3 Eco Foxtrot Zulu stroke Alpha Uniform 75 India November Delta signing off.